Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser selector switch assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Remove the drip tray. Then use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws, securing the front dispenser panel. Slide the panel up to detach. Then disconnect the wire connector. Pull back the retaining clips to release the old selector switch assembly. Install the new dispenser selector switch assembly by aligning it on the panel with the wire connector facing the right side. Then snap the assembly into place. Reinstall the front panel by first connecting the wire connector. Align the tabs with the slots in the door and slide down. Rethread the lower screws. Replace the drip tray. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.